All right, there's more bells and whistles to this, but I think this is kind of the last menu one I'll do for now. The one I'm going to do is what I'll call text and image menu. Obviously, you know what text can do. I don't need to really demonstrate that, but if you can click out into a region and you know, geometry, whatever you want to create, it forms that. While it's selected, you have the options, of course, to do some things. You could highlight it. You can make your text much larger, and all of those kinds of things. So you know what text does, obviously. Image is kind of fun. You can place an image out there. So let's say we could choose it from a file, or you could take a picture of something. Let's just see what we got here. Let's grab this here. And it's pretty big right now. So let's actually let me do a couple things here. Let's get rid of this little geometry guy here, and let me shrink this guy down. So here's an image, and we could do some things with this thing. We could create a ground here. If we had a little person down here at C and we wanted to know what's the height, let's do a perpendicular here. Let's run over to perpendicular. Let's say kind of that's our estimation, and we want to know what's the angle from here to here. We can start to do some trigonometry with this cool thing. Here's something else you can do with images. Oops, that was one too many deletes. So let's back up and delete. How about if I wanted to do a reflection? I could pull out the transformation tool and create a segment or whatever, a line, and then reflect that guy across there. Isn't that cool? And so instead of just points or triangles, I can reflect my flag. Let's keep playing with images for a little bit here. How about a rotation? If I had point out here and I wanted to rotate that about the point, and I can click on that, and let's do -90. Let's see how it handles a -90. Oh, I see. Well, actually they have clockwise or counterclockwise, so let's just do 90 clockwise, which is -90. And there it is. How fun is that? And so you can show what a rotation looks like, and so on. There's some other cool things here. You got just the freehand style pen. Better than that, you got freehand shape. Watch this cool little guy. You draw something that looks like a rectangle, and it makes one. You draw something that's a triangle. Ooh, that wasn't quite a triangle. Let's see if I can make a triangle. How about that one? That's better. And then it tries to form it. Some cool stuff. All in all, Geogebra's got some great potential. We're going to do some cool things with this, but I just wanted to give you an overview of how this thing works. All right?